Hey there, welcome back to the Hamstick Fixer YouTube channel. Today, I've got an important video for those of you who have faced the dreaded community guidelines strike on YouTube. So, my channel was recently taken down due to a community guidelines violation, and the whole process was quite a hassle. However, here's the good news: I didn't actually do anything wrong. As you can see, my channel got hit with a strike, and it was a real headache. But fear not, because today I'm going to show you exactly how to appeal and recover your any YouTube channel. As you can see here in my email inbox, my channel was removed due to a community guidelines strike. And look at this, after a successful appeal, my channel is reinstated and back up and running. Before we get started, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our helpful tech guides. Alright, let's dive into today's video. First things first, you can't access YouTube Studio when your channel is removed, but you can still appeal from your Gmail account associated with the channel. In your email, you'll see a link that says appeal here. Click on it, and it will take you to a form where you can submit your appeal. In the form, you'll need to enter your full name, the email address associated with your YouTube channel, and the URL of your suspended channel. Make sure you provide all the necessary information, and then it's time to craft your appeal text. You want to be clear and concise, explaining why you believe the strike was unwarranted. I've got the perfect appeal text available on my website. Just copy it, paste it into the form, and submit your appeal. I'll leave a link to the website in the video description and first pinned comment. It's super important to get this right, so make sure you follow the instructions carefully. Replace the name of your own channel in place of your channel name in this appeal text. Okay, so now I'm going to submit the appeal. And there we go, the appeal has been sent. Now we just have to wait for YouTube to review it. Guys, while we wait, let's keep our fingers crossed and hope for the best. Alright, it looks like we've got an email from YouTube. Let's see what it says. Yes, we did it, guys. The community guidelines strike has been removed and my channel is back in action. Now let's go to the link of the channel and see if the channel is shown. So there you have it. If you ever find yourself facing a community guidelines strike on YouTube, don't panic. Follow these steps, appeal properly, and with a bit of luck, you'll have your channel back in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks from Hamstick Fixer. Until next time, happy YouTubing, guys.